Can you add apples and oranges? Your teacher always said no. Turns out, your teacher was right. 3 apples plus 2 oranges. They just sit there, awkwardly, like they're not on speaking terms. But watch, if one more apple shows up, suddenly the apples have a squad. 4 apples, the oranges, still doing their own thing. And that, believe it or not, is the entire secret of algebra. Same thing, but make it math. 3 out, x plus 2, y plus 1x. Can you add 3x and 2y? Nope. Apples and oranges, remember? With 3x and 1x, same squad. Combine them. 4x plus 2y. Congratulations. You just simplified an expression. That's the whole video. We're done. Okay, not really. Let's actually understand it. Here's the plan. What an expression is. The 4 words you need. What like terms actually means. How to combine them. The mistakes everyone makes. Practice problems. And where you'll use this in real life. Let's go. An algebraic expression is just numbers, letters, and math operations hanging out together. The one rule, no equals sign. The second you see an equals sign, congrats, it's now an equation, and that's a different video. Here are 3 expressions: 3x plus 5, 2a plus 4b minus 7, and x squared plus 3x plus 2. None of them have an equals sign. All of them are expressions. 4 words. Learn these once, use them forever. A term is each separate piece. In 3x plus 5, the terms are 3x and 5. A variable is the letter. It's a number we don't know yet. Here it's x. A coefficient is the number in front of the variable. Here it's 3, and here's the one that catches everyone. If there's no number in front, the coefficient is 1. Just x means 1x. Always. A constant is a plain number with no letter. Here it's 5. 5 is always 5. 5 never changes. 5 is reliable. Now the main event, like terms. Like terms have the exact same variable raised to the exact same power. Only the number in front can be different. 3x and 7x, like terms. Same x4y and 4x? Nope. Different letters. 5x squared and 2x. Nope. Same letter, different powers. The power matters. 8 and 3, both plain numbers. The rule: if the variable part isn't identical, they are not like terms. No exceptions. Here's the pro rule. Color code your terms. Every group gets its own color. Once everything's colored, combining is basically automatic. X terms get blue. Y terms get orange. Plain numbers get green. Try this one yourself. Pause if you need to. Then I'll show you. See it? Same colors, same group. Easy. Now the golden rule. And this is the whole skill. Combine the coefficients. Keep the variable the same. 3x plus 5x. Add the 3's and 5's. That's 8. The x just comes along for the ride. 8x, the x never changes, only the number in front does. Watch a few examples. 4x plus 3x is 7x. Easy. Nine y minus 5y is 4y. Subtraction works the same. And here's the symphony. Three a plus 2b minus a plus 5b. That lonely minus a? Remember, it's secretly minus 1a. The invisible one strikes again, so it's 2a plus 7b. This invisible one is the number one beginner trap. Now it'll never get you. That's identifying and combining. In part 2,